So kicking off then, you'll notice it's in this lovely bright blue. The sunlight at the moment doesn't help it, but actually when the sun is out and shining, it's a glorious colour. Certainly wouldn't say it's purple, but it's kind of veering towards that kind of shade of blue, which is absolutely lovely, I think. And it's the 2017 registered Toyota Yaris 1.5 litre petrol VVT hybrid XL trim level CVT, so automatic to you and I, can achieve on the combined official cycle 85 miles per gallon. Extremely high fuel efficiency there from the 1.5 litre and hybrid battery. It's covered 70,413 miles from new. It sits on these lovely bitone alloy wheels, and they are 16-inch in size, and they are wrapped in tyres which have ample amounts of tread remaining. In fact, I think the front two may even be recently replaced. So yeah, they are. So lovely overall condition on the outside as well. Go around for a second time, just highlight any features I think worth pointing out in terms of imperfections. You've got this lovely kind of chrome line exterior pack here. As you can see, it wraps around the windows. And they're looking at the rear. You'll see it's actually got a reverse park camera, which makes things really easy to park, maneuver in tight spaces. And inside, you'll notice it's got the multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Down there, you've also got the nav screen, which houses the reverse camera screen as well. And being hybrid, the car seamlessly switches between electric and petrol, so you don't have to do anything. You haven't got to plug anything in either. There's no annoying cables to think about plugging. The car literally will charge itself when it's idling and when it's moving as well. It's got regenerative braking functionality as well. So when you're going downhill at speed and you come off the accelerator, the car will actually recoup any lost energy to kind of top up the hybrid battery. You've got the LED lights front and rear, got the daytime running lights, front fogs there as well, hybrid badging. And to be honest, imperfection wise, really hard for me to pick any out because it is literally that clean. Got a little mark down here just on the corner, right down below. Small little scratch there. Same here actually. If I it's just a little one there. That is probably the worst that you'll find on the whole car. Let's have a quick look inside then. It's got 7 airbags, so it's super safe inside, but that same can be said for many of the Toyotas on the market. They're really safe cars to be in. 7 airbags, 2 owners, and it's got a full, well not full, but it's got a comprehensive, I must say, Toyota service history record. So 7 services, I believe, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. Serviced at 14, 24, 27, 42, 55, 67, and most recently, less than 300 miles ago, it was serviced at 70,168. That's less than 300 miles ago. It's got Toyota warranty as well. Because it was serviced just 300 miles ago, it's actually got the benefit of the remainder of 12 months. So if you get the car serviced at Toyota, they actually give you a fairly decent warranty for the next 12 months after the point of service. So it's actually got Toyota warranty to 2025. Interior, it's looking nice and clean. There's no kind of holes or rips or anything like that to the interior at all. Nice part leather actually, with kind of suede bolster there as well. It does come complete with 2 keys, and we do offer finance with rates starting from just 10.9% APR, and do offer part exchange. Got a car to part exchange? Get in touch, let us know your reg, your mileage, and I'll be more than happy to get you a price to part exchange your car. Financing get accepted literally within minutes. Finance is so easy here at Small Cars Direct. You just jump onto the Small Cars Direct website, click on the Yaris, scroll down, you actually see the finance calculator there. You can edit and then apply remotely, and like I say, within normal business working hours, we can get decisions within 10-15 minutes, and then literally you can drive away instantly if you are on site. None of this faffing around waiting for a day for various finance lenders to come back. We are super easy and quick with finance, and we've got over 300 5-star reviews for the business. So please take the time to check those out, see what our customers have to say about us, and just don't take our word for it. Check out the reviews online. We've got over 300 across all the different websites, and we do deliver. In fact, we deliver nationwide, so get in touch for a quote to deliver. Got your lock and wheel nut here, present in the glove box. Pop that back away. Actually show you the engine bay, shall we? The beating heart of the Yaris. Got pre-crash safety, lane departure warning as well. The EV mode button and eco mode button down there. Also got Bluetooth as well as the nav. Look at that. Absolutely glorious under here, the hybrid drive system. It's actually spotless on here, cripes, isn't it? Even underneath the bonnet there, it's all super clean. Exactly how we like to see things here. All the screens looking good. There's no kind of like chips or cracks or anything like that to make you aware of on the screen. That's looking fresh. So the only thing really left to do is just to start it. Shall we have a look? Let's fire it up then. 7413. So let the screen boot up and we can show you the options on here. You've got the quick clear front and rear screens. And here you've got the clever display which shows you what's going on. Is the battery working? Is the engine working? Obviously you can hear the engine's working now. But that's a nice little visual display of what the car's using to power itself at that present moment in time. Also got your audio, got your navigation as well down here. Let's just show you that, confirm that. Touch screen as well, which is nice. There's a nav working, reverse camera. That's all working. Windows then, one touch on the driver's side, which is a handy little feature. Curtain airbags up there. Rear windows work as well. All good. I'll show you the mirrors too. Electrically adjustable mirrors. See that one moving. Same for that one there. Cruise down here. Radio. Audio is off. There's the music. That's all good. DAB. Is it DAB? That's a good question. I don't think it is. I think it's just, oh no, it is DAB. Happy days. Got DAB radio as well.
When he plays, every now and again he mixes it up.
He does. Guy Whittington. Do you like him? One of the lesser known commentators, I think. But that is about it. I've got 2 keys of the car as well. If you've got any questions you'd like to arrange a viewing, please do get in touch. I'll just zoom in on all the wheels then before I finish. So you've got loads of tread left on all 4 corners. A few marks at the top of the wheel there, but then again this car is what now, 7 years old? 7 years old. Tyres on the front that virtually covered no mileage at all, it appears. But yeah, really sharp looking Yaris. And hopefully we'll hear from some of you soon. Thanks for watching. Viewings by appointment. Payment is via cash or bank transfer. And we look forward to speaking to some of you soon.